Today I am going to show if the phone home button is not working. See, if this is not working, how to resolve this issue? Just go to Play Store. Enter button savior. Just search. As you can see, button savior non-root. Just click on that. Just install. Accept it. Just open. So just follow the setup. Button savior off. Just click on that. Put. Okay. So now you got it. Okay. So you will get some menu palette. Here you can use this menu buttons and resolve the issue. Just click on the home. So you will get a home. So this is how, if these bottom three buttons are not working, then you can use this button savior app and get the menu palette to resolve the issue and use the phone as new. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.